So we're going to blitz up some lamb, we're going to add the egg white and add the cream, season up, add some herbs and then our chopped sweetbreads. We just want to blanch them quickly, just so we can take the skin off, let them sit in ice water. The lamb gives it a nice texture, keeping the sweetbreads whole. Again, you've got a different texture in there. We'll just add our cream in stages. It's alright, we've just passed this mousse off into the bowl. We're going to give it a season up. Going to add our herbs. We've just got some chervil, some Italian parsley and some chives in there. Just to give it some flavour. Nice and subtle, but you can add anything you want in there. You could add tarragon, any sort of soft herb flavours like that would be delicious. In our sweetbreads, you just want to try and remove that membrane, and again, that's just a texture thing. Pretty easy to source. I mean, I get them from our local butcher. They come in like 500 gram packets. It's hard to get them really accurate in size, but we just want to cut into the bonbon. We want to be able to see know that there's got sweetbread through it. Just going to add that in there. Right, so that's looking good in there. You can see the chopped up sweetbreads, a nice smooth mousse, and our soft herbs in there. So we're now going to roll that in some cling film. So we're basically just going to make a wee sausage here.